The sort of current exchanging volume of torrential slide really is at $118,320,098 in a sort of enormous manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which generally is genuinely huge. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68, which essentially is genuinely critical. Torrential slides EMA10 basically shows an exceptionally descending pattern in a sort of significant manner. 19 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for pretty 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is extremely momentary cost expectation for torrential slide truly is Avax a truly wise interest in a genuinely large manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the exceptionally current market conditions. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in a significant manner. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $30,093,017,822, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which most certainly gives that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing that torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB sort of, is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64, which really is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which essentially gives that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a sort of significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market, all things considered, is going in an all things considered descending course for especially present moment, which especially is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad, extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which especially is genuinely critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become certainly more fundamentally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So 19 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is for the most part momentary cost expectation for torrential slide truly is Avax a kind of wise venture, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors essentially become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending course for genuinely present moment, which sort of is very huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The genuinely current torrential slide cost for the most part is $13.84, with an exchanging volume of $118,320,098 in the very beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 basically shows a kind of descending pattern, or so they by and large thought. At present, Avax really is somewhere near 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how as of now, Avax truly is somewhere around 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars, in an extremely significant manner. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 19 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath, exhibiting that right now, Avax truly is somewhere near 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance how at present, Avax essentially is somewhere around 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the avalanche. While Avax's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange in every practical sense. Signal basically is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how as of now, Avax in a real sense is somewhere near 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars. Genuinely further appearance how at present, Avax is somewhere near 0.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars in a significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving sword of normal union and disparity, MACD pointer explicitly is showing a sword of present moment, generally sell sort of sign, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath truly signal line, which basically implies generally bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, which for the most part shows what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%.